Hello and welcome back everyone to another CSS Battle Daily Target. Again, the aim of these daily videos is to have a go at these different challenges and hopefully teach you something along the way and teach myself something as well. So if you haven't already, click that subscribe button, turn on notifications so you don't miss a video in this series, and the playlist will also be linked in the description below. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. So let's begin again, as we always do, with the body. Today we're going to set the background to this lovely green color. We're going to set the display flex. I'm thinking we're going to have to do flex direction column, excuse me, and then justify content center. No, we want I'm going to try setting this to the end. Yeah, if we do margin 0 and align items as center. There we go. So the first one we're going to do is the bottom one. So we're going to give this a class of bottom. Why isn't it giving us? Oh, I'm so used to Visual Studio and it giving IntelliSense for these things. So if we target the bottom div, we're going to set this to a width of probably more like 50, maybe even more like 40. We'll leave it like that for now, and then we're going to have, actually we don't need a background, so it's going to take the, yeah, we're going to set, I think the height is a good height actually. We're going to set the border. Yes, no, we're going to set border left. We're going to set that to 30 pixel solid. Yeah, I think the width of this has to be 30 as well. And then we're going to use this color. And then we're going to do the same for the right border. Right, there we go. How's that looking? That looks perfect. Then we can, before this div, no, yes? Yeah, we're going to create a div with a class of circle and then dot circle. This one's going to have a width of something like 60 maybe, width 60 and a height of 60. I forgot to put pixels there. Gonna have a border radius of 50% to make that circle, and then we're going to have a border of the same 30 pixels solid of this color. Okay, so the width of the circle has to be much bigger than that, doesn't it? 100. That looks fairly close. And then to get it lowered, I'm just going to do margin bottom of 50 pixels. sorry, minus 50 pixels is what we want there. Minus 40, minus 30. It looks like we've got that perfect actually. And then while I'm doing this final one, this is just going to be a basic position absolute, so make it easier on ourselves. In fact, we could just, we might not even need position absolute here. We can position this above the circle and just do the same again, margin minus. Yeah, let's just call it bar. Dot bar. And yeah, while I'm doing this, if you've made it this far and you like what you're seeing and you're interested in maybe what I'm using, so at the moment with a keyboard I'm using a Keychron K3, which is I think an older version but still very similar, and the Logitech MX Master 2S, again older version of what is now the 3S, which is very expensive, which I find too expensive for a mouse, so the 2S is still perfect for what I need. And yeah, links to these will be in the description below. Just a disclosure, they are Amazon affiliate links, so it will give me a small commission. It won't change the price that you guys pay, but it will help me out and help the channel out, so thank you in advance to anyone who decides to make a purchase through my links. Continuing on with this now, I think we're going to have to actually set a background here on the circle, just so when we position this bar behind, it's going to have to be a lot bigger, isn't it? We don't see it coming through the opacity. 80. Let's try 70, and 200 looks close actually. Margin bottom, minus 40 pixels. That's close. Yes, you can't see it coming through the circle now. So we're going to want margin. That's pretty close. How close are we? Oh wow, okay, so the height of this has to be a bit bigger as well. Let's try 90. 80. And then change this to 80. Or is that too much now? No, that's perfect. Okay, there we go. Let's see what we get. This one was fairly easy to do, guys. Again, there wasn't maybe so much I could, so many complex things maybe I could share to teach you guys, but hopefully if there's anything you did learn today, oh wow, 73.5%. That's not good. Well, I don't know where I've gone wrong there. I think I'm going to leave it at that today anyway, guys. I'm not too bothered about the score on these now. I'm just trying to write good quality code that hopefully something you can learn from this. So yeah, thanks for watching if you made it this far, and if you feel like you've learned something today, I'd really appreciate if you could leave a like and subscribe for more CSS battles and some new things coming soon. Check out some of the other videos in the playlist and description below. You can also find the links to my socials, website and Amazon links down below. And thanks again for watching. Have a good day, and I'll see you next time.